I wake up, I find caffeine, most likely at a coffee shop. And then I go online to start the process of applying for jobs. That's the routine, and honestly, it's a grind. Especially when rejection is the likely result. It's easy for one to find themselves in a why bother mindset. After months of it, you truly feel you are living Groundhog Day over and over and over. I tweaked my resume, rewrote my cover letter, tailored it to the job description exactly, because that's what they say to do. I fill out their forms, even though I already uploaded my resume. Some companies use the same recruiting platform, and no matter how many times one applies on that site, it never remembers you or your information. This has happened to me more than a dozen times. It's complete madness. I hit submit, and then nothing. I've applied for well over 1,500 jobs, maybe more. I simply stopped counting. I've gotten 3 interviews. 3. That's 0.2%. That means 99.8% of the time, I am invisible. I've rehearsed this. I've done my homework. I know the answers to the standard questions. I know what they want to hear. I have a warehouse full of war stories to tap into if needed. I always tell them about my experience, my skills, how I perfectly fit into what they need. I'm a good interviewer and have a good feel for how things are going. Basically, due to my experience of working with clients. I can fly the plane as I build it. And the interviewers politely smile and nod. Then they say, "What year did you graduate? What was your last salary? Are you willing to relocate for this $17 an hour role?" And I know I'll never hear from them again. No matter your mental fortitude, getting rejected over and over does something to you. It changes how you see yourself and how you fit in the world. You start questioning everything. Maybe I'm not as good as I thought I was. Maybe I don't deserve another shot. Maybe I should just stop trying. This is where the real damage happens. Because once you stop believing you have a place in the world, it gets easier to disappear. One more try. Here's the thing. I can't stop trying. Not because I believe in the system. Not because I think my next job is right around the corner. But because I have to. I wake up. I find caffeine. I apply for jobs. That's the routine. See you tomorrow.
Thank you so much for your time today, listener. This has been Transmission X. If you enjoyed today's show, do the podcast a favor. Subscribe, comment, like, and share with friends. It doesn't take much effort, but those efforts help. Especially with making the bots happy. Remember, Transmission X is part of the Modern AI Web Machine YouTube channel. Once a week, I post tutorials sharing how I used AI to build an e-commerce gallery. Check for the link in the show notes. Until next time, be well.
End of transmission.
The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time. Goodbye.